Hi everyone, Deb here. I am here to share a small haul. This is from Spellbinders and it was I think it was called their fall warehouse sale or their fall clearance sale. I can't remember, but I think it just ended. Maybe yesterday or Saturday or something like that. Anyway, so I apologize, but I just got it on, I think Saturday, maybe Friday. I can't remember exactly about that either. Sorry. I kind of had it downstairs for a day or two and just brought it up. Anyway, to the craft room. So I got 3 wax seals, but I did a boo-boo because I accidentally ordered 2 of these. So maybe if anybody would want one, I can send you one of those. And then I got some couple dies to use with my hot foil plate and also one just regular die. So the Poinsettia Joy wax seal that looks like that. I'm not going to take it out. It's called Poinsettia or Poinsettia and Joy, and I like poinsettias for the holidays. My mother always did too, and today would be her 96th birthday, so happy birthday, Mom, wherever you are. Um, anyway, it says Joy, and I need to use my wax seals more, and the holidays would be a good time to do that. Now, these were $10 each, so I don't know if that was a sale price or not. Those were the only thing I wasn't sure about. They might have been, but with the holidays coming up, maybe they didn't mark them down as much. Anyway, these say Merry Christmas to you. So if anybody's interested in one of these, I'm not going to send wax with it or anything, just one wax seal. I'll keep this one because it's kind of bashed up. And then this one's sealed better. So yeah, I have an extra one. Silly me. Waste of $10. Eee. Okay, so then I got 2. This one is called Snow Garden Sentiments, and it was $5. And it has 4 plates. Believe, Season's Greetings, Merry Christmas, and may you be surrounded by all the things that bring you Christmas cheer. I hope these work well because on holiday cards and Christmas cards, I do like having a little bit of gold foil. I'm not usually a big gold person, but I do like some gold foil on Christmas cards usually. Or for winter time, I like silver. I haven't tried that yet, but the next one I can use with that. So this was $5. It is Snow Garden Collection by Susan Tierney dash Cockburn. And then this one is Christmas Dye and Glimmer Sentiments from the Classic Christmas Collection. Christmas Dye and Glimmer, and there's 7. It says Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Making Spirits Bright, Joy to One and All, Season's Greetings, A Gift from Me to You, and Warm Wishes. So this Warm Wishes one I could definitely use with wintry stuff, and I could even use silver or something on it. You could use any color. And you see it has cutting dies, so this would be where your I guess the way they're showing it, the Mary doesn't look foiled. Oh, this is the foil part. Okay, this is the foiling part, and then I don't know if these other ones would work with foil or not, but these they are showing them as the background dies and the top part in cardstock, and then they foil these here. And they're foiling them right onto the background, it looks like. I don't know if I'll do that or if I'll foil them. Ah, that's interesting. Maybe I'll try that. I have never tried that before. So that's those. And then I have not holiday, but sentiments for everyday glimmer from the Spring into Glimmer collection. There's a lot, there's 11 plates on here and cutting dies as well. Excuse me. This was $10. These were both 5. So happy to hear your exciting news. Congratulations. Happy anniversary. Your friendship means the world. You make my heart smile. You are in my thoughts. Get well soon. A big hello from me to you. Hooray, it's your birthday. Just wanted to say thank you. Congrats. You made a tiny human. That's cute. You could do the congrats. Oh, it's all on the same. That's all on the same plate. One second. My apologies. I'm not usually allergic to anything, but they say the pollen count is really bad, I guess because all this cloud cover is holding it down. Anyway, my sinuses are wreaking havoc with me. Hooray, it's your birthday. Great job. You did it. So I guess this is far enough apart that even if you did them together, you could separate out the, like cut apart the congrats from it, but you have a congratulations up here too. And that's connected to the so happy to hear your exciting news. Congratulations. That one's okay together, but I could also cut that apart if you wanted to have two, like one on the outside, one on the inside kind of thing. So yeah, the foiling plates and then the dies to cut them. So that was $10. And then this one is called Camellia. And I don't have a stamp to go with it, but the way they're showing this, it's it's 3 dies, it looks like, but you get all the petals you need to make this camellia flower, and I thought those looked beautiful. Now mine probably will not turn out that way because it would take me a while, but I do want to try that, and I might be trying that this month even, so we shall see. Maybe this week even for something I'm planning for Saturday. So anyway, that is it. That is my small Spellbinders haul. I mostly went for these. I was actually looking for a different one. I don't want to have too many, and I do have some already, but for Christmas I like them. And I have this hot foil glimmer machine. I might as well try and use it. So I thought sentiments would be a good way to practice that more, and especially with the holidays. I have two there for the holidays. And this I just wanted because I think that flower is beautiful. So I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will be talking with you again mm, probably Wednesday, I think I said in my planner video. Yeah, all right. Okay, guys, take care. Have a great week. Bye.